Here's a mistake I see all the time. Developers try to add space between lines of text using margin or padding when there's actually a dedicated CSS property designed specifically for this. Hence is the line height property. This is the primary way to control vertical space between lines of text within an element. When you set line height on a paragraph or heading, you're defining the height of each line box that contains the text. A larger line height means more space between lines, making text more readable. Line height accepts several value types. You can use unitless numbers like 1.5, which acts as a multiplier of the font size. You can use pixels for absolute control, percentages that scale with font size, or units for relative sizing. Each has its use case, but one stands out as the recommended approach. It's crucial to understand that line height is different from margin and padding. Line height controls space between lines within the same block of text. Margin and padding control space between separate elements. If you try to use margin to space out lines, you are actually spacing out entire paragraphs or elements, not the individual lines inside them. Here are the best practices. First, use unitless values like 1.5 instead of percentages or pixels. Unitless values inherit better and scale proportionally with font size changes. Second, for body text, stick to the range of 1.4 to 1.6. This provides comfortable readability without making text feel too loose. Third, remember that headings often work better with tighter line height, around 1.2, while dense text might need 1.8 or higher. To recap, use the line height property with unitless values to control space between lines of text. Practice this in your next project, and you'll see the difference in readability immediately. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.